Let's bring in Dr. Ashish Jha. He's the Dean of Brown University School of Public Health. Dr. Jha, it's good to see you on this holiday Monday. Thank you so much for working this morning. We certainly appreciate it. Let's talk about this. The Biden administration had set the goal of 70% for one dose for all Americans. They made it to 67. Now, people look at that and say, oh, they didn't make the goal. But there's something to celebrate here, is there not?
Yeah, good morning, Gayle. Thanks for having me back. Absolutely. I mean, I always thought that was the most ambitious goal of the goals that the president has set on vaccinations. And 2/3 of adult Americans have gotten a shot. That's fabulous, and it's made an enormous difference, and I think we should absolutely be celebrating.
But what can we do to convince the others? I don't know. I know you must feel like a broken record. I think it's good to point out to people that the people who are getting sick from COVID are the people who are not vaccinated. Isn't that true?
It is absolutely true. We still have hundreds of Americans dying every week of this disease. 99+% of them are people who are unvaccinated. That's where this virus really is circulating among unvaccinated Americans. And if you don't want to be one of those people, it's really straightforward. Go get vaccinated, as I and all my family have.
Yeah, all of us here, too, at this table. What do you say about the 4th of July celebrations? Listen, people were partying, they were gathering, they were really celebrating, as Nancy just said, in full force. We've still got that Delta variant that's circulating around. How worried should people be about this?
Yeah, I think if you're having gatherings with vaccinated people, I don't think you need to be worried. I think we're for that. I mean, I had a July 4th barbecue with about 20, 25 friends. It was outside. It was great. And I didn't feel like it was risky at all. Even the White House event, if all the adults were vaccinated, I think it's a pretty safe thing. What I worry about is when you have large groups of unvaccinated people getting together.
And Dr. Jha, you know that there are people in the group that are unvaccinated. That's what freaks me out a little bit. You know they're unvaccinated.
Well, you have kids who are under 12 who are, of course, unvaccinated. But if people around them are all vaccinated, I think it's pretty safe. But if you have a large gathering with adults who are unvaccinated, I would worry about those gatherings.
How effective are the vaccines against the Delta variant?
You know, I'll tell you, Gayle, this has continued to be a pleasant surprise to me. These vaccines are incredibly effective against all the variants out there, including the Delta variant, about 90%.
Booster shots? Do you know anything about? That's what we want to know. Booster shots. Are we going to have to take a booster shot in the fall?
Not in the fall. I just don't see it. Look, we don't know. I doubt we're going to need boosters anytime soon. Maybe next year, kind of the way we do the annual flu shot, maybe. But I'm not at all convinced of that yet either. We'll have to see what the data says.
All right, Dr. Ashish Jha, thank you so much for your time. Good to see you.
Thank you.